SurfSide Window Interior. This is a full mirror with a closet behind it. Nice safe. We usually use the safes on all our sailings. This is real nice. So on this sailing, you're able to use it with your app. So say you're coming back from the island and you want the HGV on, you could cut it onto the app and have your room ready before you get there. The bathroom is pretty big. I'm about 6 feet. It's pretty spacious. We sailed on Oasis twice this past year, and it was a little tight in the bathroom. But this is real nice. With the towels that doesn't get wet, so you could put stuff up there, clothes, anything you want. But pretty nice. A lot of sockets. Yeah. This is the room. Nice long sofa to pull out to a bed. Nice size closet. Nice as few, that one, this one. You got the little cubbies at the bottom you can put stuff in, and you got the drawers on the thing. The view is nice. So with this view, 8347, you're in the back. I think you're almost the last room, so you get to see the ocean view along with Surfside. So it's pretty nice and it's pretty spacious. You can see how big this room is.